dia madan.
The Hnyotrup Youth Council on Thursday filed a petition to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, urging the recall of a recent order for distributing corrugated aluminium roofing sheets to various community and rural development blocks across Meghalaya. The petition calls for immediate action regarding the quality of the supplied materials. HYC President Roy Kuparsan Ram informed that they have received multiple complaints about the poor quality of the aluminium roofing sheets distributed to beneficiaries in the Khasi Janta Hills.
Di hadin mengiyo ekring tep ngiyo ru ya kajing ujor nagi patba. Namar ba kini kitin ki balapan poi hapo blok ya ki ba don hadu mentah ki bedang don hapo ki jaka ki go down jong ki blok ba don ru ki bala sam sekiru patba. Ngiyo jing tep ba kini kitin ki belong low standard hadu kata latan. Ka housing department la ka directorate of housing dan lada pipet hakisnem ki belada. Ka jukhot ya ki tender nak bentah ban supply ya kini kitin ki boong ba ka jingjrong jong kitin kala bende praput haduk knai put ka jinghe kala bende du praspa but ka jingrben jong katin kamdei banduna ya ka 0.45 ka umut 1,000
Minister in charge of Revenue